I'm meteorologist Stacey Donaldson. Dark skies here across the Front Range. As we get through the rest of the afternoon, we have the threat for severe weather. We're seeing quite a bit of it down toward Colorado Springs. Not a whole lot happening here in Denver, but we do have those cloudy skies and a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Temperatures around 70 degrees for our highs today here in Denver and across the eastern plains. Upper 70s toward Durango and about 74 Grand Junction this afternoon. As for our weather planner, a tornado watch in effect for parts of the metro and the eastern plains until 9 o'clock tonight. Strong and severe thunderstorms is what we're expecting. We have sunny, dry weather showing up for Saturday and then another chance for severe weather going into Sunday. 71 degrees our high so far today, 95 the record high, and on average we should be around 80 degrees this time of year. We're in the low 70s right now and our winds about 7 miles an hour, and we have them coming in from the west-southwest. Now at this point, most of those scattered showers are heaviest toward Colorado Springs and Lyman. We have that tornado watch everywhere shaded in yellow here across the eastern plains, stretching from Akron down near Denver, but we have some heavy showers north of Flagler, but not much happening here for Metro Denver. At this point, we do have some rain up toward Boulder and out into Nederland, and then to the south we have severe thunderstorm warnings here right around Colorado Springs, Pueblo, and just east of there. So still some active thunderstorm activity in these regions, and the severe thunderstorm warnings in effect till 4:30 and 5 o'clock respectively. Now the tornado watch is in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. It does include Castle Rock all the way down toward Colorado Springs and across the eastern plains. And this is where we have the greatest chance for severe weather, especially here into southeastern Colorado, where we have an enhanced risk of those strong thunderstorms and severe weather, which includes tornadoes for southeastern Colorado. 49 degrees will be our overnight low tonight, and we'll have partly cloudy skies as we head through the overnight hours. Temperatures in the 40s early tomorrow morning here. We'll have 30s and 40s for our northern and central mountains. And those sunny skies as we get through tomorrow morning. We'll have highs near 80 degrees tomorrow, warming things up just a little bit more during the day, and not much happening in the way of severe weather for at least one day. And then we see some more of that showing up going into Sunday. Temperatures tomorrow morning for your Saturday, 50s and 60s to start the day. We'll be into the 70s as we head toward lunchtime, and then 80s for afternoon highs. Beautiful swimming pool weather if you're headed that way to soak up some sunshine. We'll have nice dry conditions. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s off to our west and close to 90 toward Grand Junction. Out toward Estes Park, low 70s for you and close to 80 from Castle Rock into Parker. So for our weather outlook into tonight, yes, we have the risk for some strong thunderstorms this evening, and then our hourly planner into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures in the low 80s with partly cloudy skies. Severe storms possible here from Denver down into southeastern Colorado going into Sunday, which is the next day we're watching for those severe storms. We'll have 70s and 80s into next week with chances for thunderstorm activity Wednesday and Thursday.